All right, guys, well, Matthew's third time's a charm. Got the numbers all added up and crunched. I honestly didn't want to even do a price reveal because I know this is going to be a lot of money. The parts just kept adding up. I'm about to find out right now. You want to give me a little drum roll?
Ready? The final price is...
Alright guys, well, the day is here. We are getting the C8 tinted. Rodwave dropped a song called 5% Tint, and we do not got 5% tint on here. I'm honestly just totally kidding, but we are getting the Vette tinted with 5% tint. I think it looks sick, and it makes it where the windshield isn't clear anymore, it's black. Oh, my man, didn't even have to get out of the car. Look at this, VIP service. Okay, you guide me. If I mess it up, I'll just fix it. Is that good? So it's funny that you just whipped out the carbon vinyl because look, I have the carbon roof and then I'm gonna have the carbon hood that's coming in and then I'm gonna tint this like super dark so it's gonna be one continuous piece. So I don't know, I have a lot of ideas, but maybe this in carbon?
Probably black because it's not gonna match exact.
Yeah, it's not gonna match exact.
It's gotta match.
Yeah. Screenshot this yesterday. Oh, here it is. This is my same Vette. This might be white, I don't know if it's the same color, but look how they wrapped the roof. How it's black pillars.
So basically they did these pillars.
Yeah.
And then, well, they stopped here?
No. There's other pictures, they go like this. Bring it in and they bring it in at an edge. I don't know, I gotta see the pictures, but that looks pretty freaking sick.
Almost like it's all one.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I should today though. I'm about to call you and tell you, hey man, you gotta get here soon.
Yeah. We'll have to come back then. But for I guess we'll just do tint for now.
Okay.
All right. You think 15 would be too dark? Because I did that on my trucks and it was fine.
But you're gonna be going fast. If it's dark outside, I mean it's up to you. I'll do whatever you want. But if you're going, I don't know. I mean it's gonna be dark at nighttime.
Yeah.
I had my GTR done. I had the windshield done in 35, and I had my headlights tinted too. I was hauling ass one night. I couldn't see, so I said one of them had to go. If you're hauling ass, man, at nighttime, it's tough to see.
Yeah, let's do 15. Or no, let's do 20. You guys said 20. I'm down with 20.
20's still gonna be dark.
Yeah.
At nighttime, but I mean, obviously that thing's got good lights.
It's got good lights, yeah. Because every truck I've ever had, I had 15 on the windshield, and I never had an issue. But obviously, I think we'll be good with 20. I'm happy with that. Alright boys, freaking tinted up and she's looking just how I want it. Look at, like I said, the interior, obviously we're not in the sun yet, but it makes like a night and day difference. And this is when it gets sketchy. And we are out with no issues. We're about to see, now we're in the sun. Oh yeah, like you can see it lit up a little bit. We're like in the direct sun. We're about to see how dark it is. What do you think?
The only thing I see is the yellow. The yellow of the steering wheel.
Yeah?
I see the little yellow strip.
You gotta hop in there, I gotta see if I can see you. Our goal is to not be able to be seen. And I'd say that it's a success. You can't see it at all. I think we're doing good then. Yeah, I approve. Thank you.
Is that yours?
Yeah, it's his.
And then he said I'm making no money. You gotta set up the red. It was a Lamborghini from the side.
I just got it tinted. What do you think? Now you can't see me in there.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm getting a new hood.
Beautiful car, man.
Thank you, thank you. You thought it was a Lamborghini?
From far away, yes.
Yeah.
They did the American go with the European. Msrp.
We're frauds.
Lamborghini like a piece of shit now.
He said the Lamborghini looked like a piece of shit now. American, you know, that's what America does. We copy you and then we make it better. American Lamborghini, as my man said. I don't know who that man was, but that was gold right there. The American Lamborghini. And I just want to give a big shout out to my man Casey at Extreme Tint and Wrap. They hooked me up. Come here, come check out the track hawk. It's sick. Hit him up because he honestly is really good. Like, look at this. I mean, it's all machine cut. And look at the edges. Oh, let me unlock this. Like the edges on all the tint are perfect. Like everything perfect. Like you're not gonna have any issues and it's warranted. Like he's the man. So if you need tint, hit him up. We're gonna be back here though a lot. I'm gonna have more vehicles and also we gotta do the wrap on the roof too. So we're gonna come back later and do that. Check him out. I'll leave the link and number in the description because he's the man. Did I say he's the man? Because he's the man. I don't know what is in store for the rest of the day, but on to the next thing. All right guys, well, the day is here. You guys have been waiting to know the price reveal on this car. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know the price reveal. I stopped counting at like, I think like 8 grand. And then I was like, yeah.
This is all the receipts?
That's all the receipts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this super entertaining. Matthews is gonna count up the numbers and he's gonna tell me in his head. Can you think you could do that?
I'm a math genius.
Oh, is there a notebook down there?
No.
Oh my God, I forgot it. See, I got all the prices written down. You gotta add all of those up. What's up?
Is that really Rodwave's Corvette?
It is. How'd you know?
I saw your YouTube video.
Oh, okay. When are we gonna give you a ride?
I don't think I'm gonna be allowed.
Really? You're gonna have to do some convincing.
Mom's inside. But
You've been asking?
no, they say that they've only met you one time. Mom's inside right now. How much horsepower is it?
500.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of horses. How many does that have?
21.
That's a lot. That's actually a nice bike. Go pop a wheelie. Can you do some wheelies? No? She's a ripper. Yeah, you tighten that wheel, right? The wheel's tight. This thing might fall apart, man. We put this together in the garage with hand tools. All right, guys, so I got the stack of receipts here. We got Matthews with the actual calculations. I wrote all these down on that pad over there that Matthews has. You doing the math in your head? You got it already? You got it? He definitely doesn't got it. This is every purchase so far. Like all the receipts individually, like boom, 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 boom. So I haven't said what I bought the car for yet, but I bought the car for $53,000, cash money.
Now you can't get up here. No loitering. Sign right there.
What's
no climbing on the wall, no loitering.
We'll leave.
Go ahead. Hanging on the edge. I'm right here.
All right, well, let's to the next spot, I guess. To the next spot. Price reveal continues. Jeez. The final price breakdown. So I bought the car for $53,000, and I know what some of you guys are thinking. You might be thinking that's a lot, you might be thinking that's a little. Before I bought this car, I used my friends over at Auto Auctions.io. So pretty much this app, you can literally look at any car ever sold at auction. Let's see my car on here. So this was literally right before my car sold. This one sold for $50,500, and then you can see my car, $53,000, sold 7 months ago. The next thing you guys are wondering is that a good deal? So let's look at them. So this one, all the airbags deployed, and it went for $50,000. Mine, $53,000. Next one, $60,000. This is where it gets good. Check out this car. It's the identical spec as my car. 2020, 3LT, same color, carbon fiber roof, but look, it's a rear damage. And this one went for $72,500. Look at yellow seat belts just like mine, identical, and it's a rear end collision. It's pretty bad. It's not like it's like a little collision. Pretty mangled. That's gonna be at least 10,000 plus in parts. And this one went for 72,000. I got mine for 53. In my eyes, I got a smoking deal on my car. It might have been one of the cheapest Corvettes sold in the country, if we're being honest. And it doesn't just stop there. 66,000, 75,000, 65,000. These C8s are going for big money. I'm pretty happy with my deal. 53,000, that's not so bad, but mine was pretty damaged. So now we got to get into the receipts. I honestly don't know what the final total is yet. Matthews is about to give me the drum roll and tell me how much I spent on this car. So look right here, copart fees, $26.53. The buying fee, my guy that bought it for me charged me $1,000. So right before we even started, I was in 56K deep. Matthew's about to add all these up. We got a lot of parts here, and I'm about to either be very disappointed. I don't know, I'm probably gonna be very disappointed because I stopped counting how much this thing cost like halfway through because the parts were just getting like to be too much money. I didn't want to like keep track of it. And I already know it's gonna be like way more than I thought. And you guys are all gonna be out there, oh, he spent too much money on the car or whatever. Listen, bottom line is I couldn't have ever afforded this car. This car MSRP right now, like I don't even know what MSRP means, but what they're selling for is like 120 grand, 125,000 for that spec. 3LT, carbon roof, carbon options is like 125 grand. I couldn't have bought that, and you can't order one right now. It takes like a year for it to come in. You know, I got a Corvette, and we're about to find out how much I got it for. A lot of you guys are thinking I'm probably lying. I legitimately have not added this up because I was scared, because I know it's gonna be a lot of money. But that's why you guys gotta shop at Drew's Garage, because we're struggling out here. This is the total. Oh my god. You must have clicked divide instead of plus.
No, I just must have done something.
Yeah. He got to the total, and it said I paid $2,000 all said and done.
Dude, alright, just don't talk. I have to restart. It's take 3 right now.
We're on the 3rd try now of him adding up the numbers. All these parts I got for 10% over cost. Whatever the dealer sells them at cost, I got them for 10% over. I got like a really good deal on all the parts, and it's still a lot of money. All right, guys, well, Matthew's 3rd time's a charm. Got the numbers all added up and crunched. I honestly didn't want to even do a price reveal because I know this is going to be a lot of money. The parts just kept adding up. I'm about to find out right now. You want to give me a little drum roll?
Ready? The final price is $84,177 and 53 cents.
$84,177.53. That's insane. What'd you add up? You added these two?
Yeah, everything. Not the hood.
Oh my god. So minus that by the car, I paid 56. No. No, 50. Oh yeah, 56. Oh my god, bro. $27,000. That's insane. I didn't think it was gonna be that much. I almost feel like that's not real. Imagine the guys that paid like 60, 70K for their seats. I got a good deal on my C8. $85,000 all said and done is a lot of money, and again, obviously it is a rebuilt title. I don't know, I mean, I make YouTube videos, you guys love the build. I'm happy with it. If I didn't make YouTube videos, I definitely would not be happy with it, but you know, it's all for content. We gained 100,000 subscribers from this build. Now we're about to wide body it. I've been talking to TJ and we're gonna make it happen. And also, you guys have been killing it on the merch. We got big things coming. It's all part of the process. I don't know. What are you thinking?
I don't know.
What do you think they're thinking? Like people watching?
That's a lot of money. Because I didn't think it was that much to fix it.
Look at this. Look at, they're like different receipts. Look at 1106 and 1117, right? Two different dates. And then look at
two different prices.
No, right here. Look at 801. Look, it's right here. 527. Yeah. So that means I got double receipts, but they're different receipts. All right, guys, so it is not 83,000. Like I said, my reaction was real. In that video you saw, I was kind of like looking like, what the hell? So I've been keeping a dialogue of like kind of how much I spent, and we were way, way off. These receipts, I went down to Roger Dean and they said that they give me a receipt for every time I buy the part and then every time I pick up the part. So that means we had double parts calculated into the price reveal. So the final price breakdown is $71,157. So that is a lot better than 83,000. It's literally the price I thought all the fixing and all the parts cost is half. Major, major difference, and I'm hyped about that. 71K for a 3LT fully loaded Corvette. If you go on any website or you go on Auto Auctions.io, link in the description, and you want to see what these C8s are going for, is that it's really a great deal. Like I showed you earlier, there's a similar C8, I'll pop it up on the screen here. It went for 73,000 wrecked in the rear end, and that was the identical car as mine. So I literally fixed my car for less than that one sold for at auction, and it's the identical car. So if you guys are curious on what these wreck cars are going for, or you want to buy a wreck car for yourself and you want to see what they're going for, see if you can afford it, go on autoauctionsio.com. I'll leave the link down below. Goon Squad's Huracan sold for 81,000. Post Malone's Rolls Royce Wraith, you see it sold for 111,000. So pretty much this website, you can look up any car that's ever been wrecked that went to auction. You can see what they're going for, and you can see the current ones that are selling as we speak. Check them out. I'll leave the link down below. I have $71,157.25 into my C8, and it's a 3LT, carbon roof, all that. Killer deal. I mean, it worked out great, and obviously YouTube pays me money, and I got merch and stuff, so I'm super happy with it. It is a lot of money, but you know, we made it happen, and I couldn't have ever bought a C8 anyway. I never would have been able to buy my car. My car's like 120,000 right now. That's what they're going for, a 3LT. What is that? Like almost half off. If they're going for 120, I paid 71, so like 40% off. I'll take that all day. That's a wrap. I got a lot in store for the future. Not only do I have a new build coming, and not coming, I already have it. It's in the garage, but you guys can't see it yet. I have a new build coming in about 2 weeks. I'm gonna release that I bought it. I'm also giving away my personal Hellcat. So you guys have seen my Hellcat. You guys have seen me rebuild it. You've seen me make videos with it. It's time to give it away. Not only am I gonna give it away, but I'm gonna give you guys my old vlog camera, and I'm pulling up on you and making a video with you. There's a lot going on. Stay tuned for the future. Like always, thanks for watching, and like I said, Hellcat giveaway coming soon within like the next month, and new build coming soon, and this new build is the biggest build I've done yet. Like, this build is, I think, gonna take us to the freaking top, and that's what we're trying to do out here. We're trying to claw our ways to the top of YouTube, because it's almost impossible to grow on YouTube right now, but we're doing it, and you guys are watching me do it, and you guys are doing it with me. So thanks for watching, and also next video I'm gonna be revealing the winners, prizes of the merch. Oh, I'm not even wearing the merch, dang. But yeah, so stay tuned, and I guess I'll catch you guys next video, and let me know what you think of this price. Let me know what you think the new build is gonna be too. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Peace. Yeah, we're doing the price breakdown right now. For real? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how much it costs. How much do you think it costs?
Bro, you put me in the video. Put me in the video. Yeah. I'm saying, bro, like, he's fat as and I'm fat too. So like, how the nigga fit in the seat? I barely fit in this rap.
Post Malone's Rolls Royce Rolls Royce Wraith.